Good evening everyone. So for today's vlog or for today's video po is pag-uusapan po natin ang requirements po going to abroad. First, you must have passport po 2 years before it will expire. Then, if you don't have passport po, otherwise, hindi po kayo i-entertain ng any agencies, lalo na kung mag-apply kayo sa abroad. So, it's the first requirements para po makapag-move kayo. Then, yung iba pong requirements is, to be follow po, yung like registration, PIOS, and then COE or Certificate of Employment. And you must have the 2 pieces of 2x2 picture with white background. Then, NVI clearance. So, yung NVI clearance po, I think isa na lang po siya ngayon. Hindi na katulad nung dati na you need to choose for local or for travel. So, yung NVI po ngayon is isa na lang siya. So, for multi-purpose na po siya. Then, if you are ex-abroad po, you must get an info sheet in POEE or DMW. So, ang POEE po dati is DMW na po ang pangalan niya ngayon. So, also, ang pag-ibig number. So, kung meron po kayong pag-ibig, dyan, iba po yung pag-ibig na sinasabi ko. So, yung pag-ibig po ay pag-ibig number na pwede po kayong magpa-register online, pwede din po kayong mag-walk-in. And you must have vaccination record, or if you have online like Vaxcert, which is Vax certification po, you must have to bring. Then, what else? So, the other requirements po is to be follow na lang siya. So, those requirements that I say is needed po talaga siya. Very, very important. Yan lang po. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.